guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza area, and also I will show you how the situation at the moment in Tuban area on request. In the end of this video, I will driving past in Kuta Beach. Okay, so if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area after 1 week in New Year. Okay guys, now we start from Kediri Street in Tuban area. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people around the world missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from this channel. Okay guys, if you see the weather today, it is so beautiful. It's very blue sky today. Because actually I'm gonna say like Bali is still in rainy season, so sometimes the weather changes very quick. So that's why I'm gonna say like around this time Bali is still in humid until April. Okay guys, on this video I make video around 8 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Tuban area and on Kartika Plaza Street, and also I will driving past in Kuta Beach. In this area in Kediri Street, Tuban, actually there is more locals people stay. So that's why in this area, even before the pandemic, there is not so many tourists in this area because only local who live in this area. In this area, it's just very nearby to the airport. It's only 5 minutes driving by motorbike or like 10 minutes by car. It's not so far away. If you see in this area, left side and right side, there is only local shop. Okay guys, if I turn left at the front, there is the way to go to the airport, just very nearby, only 2 kilometers from here. Just around 5 minutes driving by motorbike until to the drop-in international airport. Yeah, you see the weather? It's so blue in the west part of Bali. If I straight down at the front, there is the way to go to Jerman Beach or Wana Segara Street. It's only around 1 kilometer to the beach. And now I turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street. Yeah, now we are in Kartika Plaza Street. And actually I already updated this area around a week ago, so you can find how the situation in this area a week ago, so you can find down this video. Okay guys, today I will driving little bit faster than usually because I just want to show you how the real situation on the road this area. In this area on Kartika Plaza Street, in left side there is a west side. There is a lot of big hotel just connecting by the beach, and also in the right side there is some hotels, and also exactly beside the street there is a lot of shop in this area. So that's why before the pandemic there is a lot of people walk around on the sidewalk. They do some shopping or they go to the beach. But today you can see together on the sidewalk it's get quiet. So you can find the situation in this area a week ago down this video, so you can compare how busy last week and this week. But so far in this area we can see together on the road there is so quiet, isn't it? There is not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. Actually I'm gonna say it's so quiet today. Yeah, left side there is Kartika Plaza Hotel, and beside the Kartika Plaza at the front left side there is a big mall we call Discovery Mall, and usually this area must be busy because the big mall. but we can see together. Today, it still looks very quiet. It is very sad. And also at the front right side, there is where the boom park, and also look quiet in the parking area. Yeah, so far in this area, we can see together how the rail station at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street after 1 week in the new year. Babagam right side, they're still closed. Hotel Paradiso left side, yeah, there is some car parking there. And also Melasti Kuta Bungalow, and also some car parking there. That was good. In the left side, there is Lot Seafood Restaurant, and also in the right side, there is a stadium. But so far, this area still look very quiet. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Street. So what do you think? It is still look very quiet, isn't it? Okay, if I turn right at the front, there is the way to go Denpasar, but I will turn left and then we will see together how the situation at the moment in Kuta Art Market. Now we are in Kuta Art Market area. Right side, left side, there is Kuta Art Market, and there is some shop are already open. That's really good. And this Kuta Art Market just exactly beside the Kuta beach. So that's why, as I told you, also on this video I will show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta beach after 1 week in the new year. Yeah, now we reach Kuta beach. You see, the weather so beautiful. Pantai Kuta is mean Kuta beach. So this is the sign. Okay, you can see the left side how many people on the beach today. How busy we can see together. Yeah, there is some people there. Just only few people, not so busy. You see right side, there is a big hotel, and there was swimming pool just at the front of the beach. Yeah, there is some people there. That's good. But if you see the weather today, it's so beautiful, isn't it? And the water looks so blue. After a few weeks ago, was always raining, and the water is not so clear like today. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.